Hey!
My name is not Sven, it is Martin, yeah.
Yes, I have gone by train to the deepest roots, the deepest, darkest places in Norrland, the city of Gävle, to see it for the first time. This is a famous thing. But most of the time, you don't get to see it if you see it too late because it's been burned down. Here's some facts about that.
The very first goat burned down on New Year's Eve, followed by 2 years of survival and 2 years of fire. It has been stolen, hit by cars, kicked to pieces. In 1979 it was burned, rebuilt and then broken again. It survived in 1981, 88, 90, 93, 94, 96 and 97. But in 1989 and 1992 it was burned twice. In the year 2000 it was both burned and tossed into the river. After that it has burned every year except for 2006, 2010, 2014 and 2017. Will it survive in 2018? We don't know.
I'm walking along the canal and I should be able to see it just up there soon. The Yule Goat is inaugurated on the 1st of Advent every year, and if it's been destroyed before December 13, Lucia, they will rebuild it again. If it's afterwards, which is right now, they will not. I think I see it. I think I see it. It has not been burned down yet. It's over there. Look at that. So just 2 days before I was here filming, someone actually put the small one on fire. You can see the hole there in the leg. That's because the police were quickly on the scene and managed to extinguish the fire before the thing burned down. So different measures have been taken to make sure that the goat doesn't burn down, like draining it in liquid that would not burn, but then it made the goat look creepy. They have double fence, they have camera surveillance, and they have people in the booth watching it 24/7. I'm pretty sure that security is looking at me and they're like, who's that guy with the camera? He's a potential arsonist. No, I had this interesting, fascinating idea of maybe bringing a big projector and then project fire onto it, but I would probably call the fire station and then I would be in trouble, and I'm not there to cause trouble, I'm here to inform and delight you. So there you go, the depiction of Christmas can come in many forms and many shapes and many sizes, and this is a big ass one, and it's in Gävle of all places. It's a big Yule Goat. I am leaving the site of the Yule Goat now, so let it be known that if it gets burned down, it wasn't me. It wasn't me.